We're writing phone numbers into a Google Sheet and something keeps going on, right? We already solved the plus sign. You just add a little tick in front of it, a little single quote right in front of the plus sign, and you can see it. But what if you just need a zero at the beginning of your phone number? How do you get a zero to stay there? Now, intuitively, you might think it is formatting a number. So you take this whole column and you go up to format, and you go to number, and you scroll down, you go to custom number format, and you try to create some number. But what if it's like, I just want to put in the numbers and I don't necessarily want a specific format with like hyphens and 3 zeros, a hyphen, and 3 zeros? Like, I don't want to have to figure it out. I just want to put a zero in front of the number. Well, let's select the entire column. It is format. It is number, but it's actually up here next to automatic. It's plain text. What that means is that it will enter whatever number you put in there. So you can have 2 zeros in front of your phone number if you want. It will just put in what you want. What you type in will be what it is. And that is very simple. Put in a zero in front of it. Done and done. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.